Hello and welcome everyone to my this video. So today I'm making this video for my assignment 3, in which I have to add database in my website which I have created in assignment second by using PHP coding. So for this first what I do is I start Apache and MySQL as an admin and all the all the coding which I have done I have stored in this PC hard disk C in XAMPP inside htdocs, and in assignment here you can see all the uh, codings, HTML coding, PHP coding, and with some photos which I have created and the database name test. So for this let's start our MySQL as an admin. So here what I have done is you can see I have created a database by using PHP my admin to which I have given a name test. So inside this you can see different tables which I have created naming cursors, cars input and seller, in which input you can see different ID, name, address, phone, email, username and password which I have entered in my website inside the web page. That data are stored in the database inside here. The name, address, phone number you can see, and the seller username and password, this is the input one, and cursors. Before that you can see the cars which I have inserted here, naming BMW, Mazda, location, year, make and mileage and price like that. And by using the model and location you can search the car accordingly. So let's have a look about our coding. So here what I would like to show is first the registration HTML. So this HTML I have created PSP naming registration.php. So here I have created a PHP coding where the user have to enter name, address, phone, email, username, and password, and it goes and store in the database. There are different PHP file which I have created for this assignment is the seller PHP, where here the username and password is accepted and the seller page is open. And before that, we first do is login PHP. Login PHP. I can see login here it is. And login PHP, what happens here is the username and password is done and the test database is given here, and it is extracted from the input table where the username and password are tallied, and the correct username and password are given access to the their individual web page naming the seller page. So rather than describing this, I would like to show you by running the code itself. So for that I have to do is mention the localhost and the assignment. So doing this, my website is open now, so you can see this is my website for car sales. So first let's do the registration. So here what we do is this name and address, this form is filled up. So let me show you by doing a different name. I would like to show you by saying Maria may be the name, and the address, let us suppose, is the North or Sydney, or select Sydney, it's all right. Sydney, the phone number maybe anyone, let's take this one. So we can't leave it blank, so let's guess a random number here, and Maria at the rate gmail.com email, username, let us give Maria, and password Maria as well. So when we do register, it will show the registration is successfully done, and we can check this registration here. If we refresh this one, and in the test inside the input you can see a new name as a Maria. So here so like this way we can do a registration, and moving ahead we can also do the seller login. So by writing Maria ID and password, you can also log in like this. So let's see our coding again. So here I have done add car coding. So here you can add the car by the make, model, year, mileage, location like this, and the about us PSP. So here I have done the coding, and you can see the links, and here I have given the stuff on image, and the echo will be the echo means print will be the college staffer. So like this way I have successfully done, and this text and this SQL is for the database. So like this, I have done my assignment, and I would like to say thank you so much, sir, for giving us extension, and I can and it's possible for me to upload this video. Thank you so much, sir.